Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and not charging. That avoids automatic re-enabling. Once done, open Settings, either tap the gear icon or pull down Quick Settings and tap the gear. Then locate Battery or Battery and Device Care. On some phones, type Battery in the Settings search bar to jump straight there. You're doing this now so you can access the exact toggle. Keep the screen awake for the next steps. Now, find Battery Saver or Power Mode inside Battery Settings. You will see a toggle labeled Battery Saver or a drop-down for Power Mode. Tap the toggle off or select High Performance to restore normal behavior. Make sure to also review App Power Management or Restricted Apps. If an app was limited, remove that restriction. Once you turn it off, background sync, notifications, and CPU limits are restored. This explains why some apps might immediately resume working as expected. Finally, confirm the change by watching the battery icon and checking a few notifications. They should resume within a minute. If Battery Saver keeps turning on, inspect scheduled activation or set the turn-on percentage higher or disable scheduling entirely. If toggling doesn't take effect, restart the phone to clear persistent state, and then check any manufacturer battery apps, Samsung, Xiaomi, etc. That may override Android settings. That one restart usually fixes stubborn cases and gets everything back to normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.